Hello, my name is Brandon Dig, and today I will be teaching you how to add media to your own personal Google site. So for the first one, I'm going to do the new site. How you're going to do this is you can either upload it from your computer, your personal one. This will pop up and you can choose anything you would like. You can also choose YouTube links, as well as embedding a link, as well as your own personal calendar, maps, as well as some Google Drive documents or sheets or anything you'd like. And for the old site, it's a little bit more complicated. So first you're going to have to go into the old site, your own personal old site, go into Edit Page. Whatever page you want to put this media onto, that's the page you're going to go to first. You're going to press Edit Page, and it's going to have this pop up. You can edit the text however you'd like, but how you're going to add the media, you can go to Insert, and then you can add images, add a link, you can add a YouTube video, a Hangout like we were talking about earlier, your own personal group, Google Plus, anything that you post on Google Plus, you can add it to your personal site, your calendar, a chart, Google Drive stuff, and that is about it. That is how you add media to your own personal Google site. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you all have a nice day.